How to upload music to SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically upload music to SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you would like to upload music to SoundCloud, it's actually quite very simple to do so. You have to download the SoundCloud application and then make sure that you're signed into the account. Once you're signed into the account, what you want to do is to simply tap the arrow icon from the top, which will allow you to upload music. So you can tap on that little option there. You can just choose a music file that you want to upload, and once you have done that, you can simply give your music a title and then pick a genre as well, depending upon what genre your music is all about. Then after that, you can select and describe your track. You can choose to add a caption, you can choose to make it private or make it public, and then just tap the save option from the top in order to save the changes. And that's all it takes to upload music to SoundCloud. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.